Hello friends, I today have day off and I decided to go on the walk here in the forest, around Houghton's Pond. Today is a nice off day and now it's 3 p.m. and I will walk here. Maybe I take over classes because I need some nice relaxing time alone. Just me and trees or nature. My outfit of the day for today. Today we have almost 90s. Actually, here is lake where people swimming. But I was thinking maybe I could go and swim in this lake. Today I don't know if to hook up that microphones or not needed. I don't know. Cause last time I recorded outside, I hook up microphone and in settings I put something I messed up and it was only on the one side of when you have headphones, it was only on left, for example. So now I'm using microphone and not any microphone. So I am walking here down the trail. I think this trail leading to the place where you can sit on the benches and then there's a lake. Actually I could go to lake, but I didn't take any things with me. I just have things for hike, more like, not for swimming. But if I would sit in sun, maybe it would dry. Here are nice trees in that place around where I am, because here is actually Blue Hills reservation area. What's this? I don't remember. Here is F point. Tracking is here. My settings, manual settings, are f2.8 because I'm using VILTOX lens when I'm using SONY Camera 7.4. ISO is 100 and that other 1/80. Here are nice trees. Maybe I can't go to one because I need to ground myself, but it's hard because here is some kind of So my outfit of the day is hat from Victoria's Secret, pink t-shirt, tie-dye t-shirt from Walmart. And biker shorts I'm wearing today are from Amazon. Bought them last year. These ones, they are comfortable and not that overheating. Very nice battery feel material. And I'm wearing this Birkenstocks that I got last year also. Suede version. You can see they are from suede, and it's a nice color. Okay, so I will cuddle to this tree a little bit, to that pine tree. And I have to enjoy and rest. I need to ground myself and relax, because today is off day and tomorrow again I go to work. For now I have only one shirt, but maybe it will be two if I catch some another ones. Because my plan is to pay off my all credit cards by the end of the year. At least not, because I have two types of credit cards, Americans and Polish ones. And so my plan is to pay off the American credit cards by the end of the year. And Polish ones I will be paying this year and to the middle of next year. And that's my plan, to get out of debt fully and start to save. So my plan is also, when I get out of American credit cards end of year, my plan is to start saving too. About I don't know, I don't want to say how much. So I will set amount that the most I can, let's just say that. And I, of course, every month is bills like food, what else, internet bill, house bill, because we're splitting with my boyfriend, internet, car insurance, gas, food for eating food, all that. So those bills will be every year expense, and then next, the amount that will be left from the earnings, I will try to keep. I don't want to buy any more things, just maybe when it's something on sale and I really need it, then I could buy it. So we came here to the picnic area. Actually, we can sit here somewhere in shade, and then we could go over to the lake and swim even. But actually, I'm not sure if I wanna swim, because I would be all wet. So here is the picnic area. People can do bonfires. Let's sit here and enjoy. And the part that I like, actually no people around. So maybe I switch microphones. Wait. La la la. Test, microphone test, 1 2 3, test, 1 2 3. You hear me, I hope, as I see also bars. And I put this cut. I should take tripod with me. Tripod, I didn't have any. Let's put this here. For now I will use this microphone, but later I will just use no microphone when walking back, because it would be weird, I think. So we are in nice park, Houghton Ponds. And here is few picnic tables and no people around, so actually I can talk. In far away places some music, but actually I can't hear it that well. So yeah, my plan is to get out of credit cards because it's nonsense to have them when you can be more organized and pay them off. That's why my plan is to work over shifts. Over time. Plan is to work overtime and pay off credit cards, because my credit cards are high percentage interest rate, around 30. So when you have, if you borrow $1,000, 30% per year, so it's $30, or a little less per month. I will eat some and then come back. I'm back. I ate some apple, and now I'm praying my prayer, which is novena to Saint Pompey and novena to Queen of Holy Rosary of Pompeii. It's 54 days on beads, like 3 times there's beads, and one intention for that 54 days. And I'm praying. Now I'm on second part. It has 2 parts. One part is and you pray for, it's like you beg for something that you want, and another 27 days, which is second part, you it's like Thanksgiving. You in your thoughts thinking that it already happened and you thanks for it. So yeah, I'm praying this. Now I'm on that second part. Yeah. Beads looks like this. I think this one I've got in Poland from the newspaper, where actually it's about that novena, and it actually has that image of Mary here. Image of her. You can put in internet and you will see the description how to pray it. I pray many intentions and many come true, but some didn't, so not always it will come true. But some maybe are not according to God's will or something like that. So it's not always, but really it helps. And now my intention is relating with finances, and I see it's helping already, that things are moving and improving.
Your attention, please. Will all guests please exit the water for a routine lifeguard safety check? I repeat, will all guests please exit the water for a routine lifeguard safety check?
They tell people to get out of water for a few minutes, and then people come back to water. So yeah, nice. Maybe I would go water, but I don't have any anything. I didn't take any towel, and because I thought I would go different place, but then I changed mind. I like to be spontaneous and follow intuition where I need to go, or where I want to go, and then I go last minute. But actually I didn't want to go swim because I need to go then to Walmart shopping. I have to buy grocery, and then hair would be wet, you know, and that's why. But here is nice place. I like it because the trees here covering sun a little bit, so it's not super hot, and also that wind blowing today. Nice breeze. And see here. Nice. Here are more picnic tables, and here, so this area have really many places to sit and enjoy with family, kids, dogs, and it's for free, parking free, and entrance is free. Not like in Poland. I remember in Poland, actually, we have lake in Poland. Of course, every country have lake, but in Krakow it was lake near a city, and I remember they always wanted money to go there and swim. You had to pay money to entrance, even if you not swim, you had to pay. So I like here in USA that some places are for free, not all, of course, because I know some beaches are also paid. Because Nantasket, for example, you pay $15 for parking, but here I think this is sponsored by state. Okay, see you later. Break. My thingy. Here are my oats that I will eat. Here are my beads that I will pray, because maybe people think I'm nothing gonna say. I just saying what I'm saying. Let's cuddle the tree to get grounded. That's important. And I'm eating chips. If you feel stressed, overwhelmed with life, go to your park, local park, or more far away park, and cuddle the trees. Look at trees, green color is also healing. It's stress relieving, and go on bed, walk, hike. As when will be winter, it will be colder unless you live in hot climate. But in winter will be colder and harder to do these things, but I want to go actually also in winter and enjoy, but it will be cold. Oh, it's squirrel. That's squirrel. Yeah, and jump on the tree. Maybe I do this one. Nice here. I really enjoy this place. I didn't walk far yet. I wanna finish this prayer too. And I will walk. Hello again. Still praying. But it's nice breeze. Really relaxing here. That's why I don't wanna even go. Because it's nice sitting here. I admit today I'm little like not into walking, because I walk every day in that job. Every day in work I walk. Like I track my steps. And it says near, I have that app that tracks steps. And it says, let's see, steps up, this one. Today 676. Let's see, yesterday 7,600. Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. When I also previous day I did 9,300, and then again 9,300, then 6,300, then 9,400. So often I do 10,000, but if it's shorter shift, then I guess I make it less. Or when it's something like they say to not do it or something, then it's less steps. That's cool. That's why today I don't wanna walk much. I wanna relax and have fun.